Hi, hello everyone, my name is Irene and welcome to my weekly reset routine. Today I'm going to share with you my recipe for a good week, or in other words, the self-care habits and positive systems that I like to follow every single Sunday to help me recharge and prepare for a happy and productive week ahead. I really hope you enjoy, and without any further ado, let's jump straight into it. Sunday asks for a slow morning, doing everything with peace and intention. Just no rushing, like we might tend to do during the week. But Sunday also asks for a space refresh, and it definitely wouldn't be a weekly reset routine without a proper organization of your environment. So doing your laundry, adding fresh sheets, cleaning your home, doing your grocery shop for the week, and even meal prepping, refilling products, and so on. And even better is following that up by hopping in a shower and taking extra time to show yourself some love by following your complete self-care shower routine. Washing your hair, moisturizing your body, even doing some face masks too. One of my favorite tools to mentally prepare for a new week is to literally flip the page, aka doing some journaling. And here are some of the journal prompts that I like to follow to reflect and set intentions. What am I most grateful for in this past week? What is something that I accomplished this past week? What lessons did I learn? Things to do more and less of this upcoming week. And lastly, what would make this upcoming week incredible? After journaling, it is time to plan out my week by setting a few goals, as well as making an overview of all the tasks that I want to accomplish in the upcoming week using my Notion planner. I will leave the link to my Notion planner template in the description down below for you. The first thing that I always do is transfer out everything that I had written down on my Notion onto my bullet journal. Then I go ahead, I erase everything from my Notion planner, and now that we have a fresh slate, we can begin planning for the week. Starting with setting your top 3 priorities / themes / intentions for the week. And as you're setting these, keep in mind the reflections that we did during the journaling portion. Next up, it's time to import any fixed to-dos, for example, any meetings or any appointments. And then the remaining more flexible things to tackle during the week will be planned around these fixed to-dos. I always also check the notes that I added onto my next week's section, and I will allocate a specific time for these, as well as plan out any self-care activities for the week. And then the last thing to plan out is my content calendar, including my content schedule for the week for each of my social media platforms, saving potential audios to be used on my reels, brainstorming ideas, and so on. I'm about to go and pick up my friend Irene from the bus station. She's gonna come and spend the day with me here in my hometown. So I'm really excited, let's go for it. Your weekly reset routine does not just have to be a list of extra to-dos. It can also include any fun moments, so you can spend time doing any activities that fill your cup. And after a beautiful day of resetting, refreshing, and recharging for a new week, there's no better way to end the day than to enjoy a calm evening of unwinding self-care practices. And this is my weekly reset routine. I hope this video has inspired you to add a few positive elements to your Sunday to set you up for a good week ahead. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here, and I will see you in my next video.